Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing fat people life hacks. I am not here to fat shame. I'm personally overweight myself and I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks. And just remember that no matter what size you are beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. For my first hack is contouring. I wanted to show you this because, you know, this is a beauty channel, so why not? I wanted to first start off with a warm cream shade. I like to do this step first to warm up the face. I like bronzing the face up because it just gives it a sun-kissed look. I feel like by adding more color to the face, it just gives it more dimension. My face is very pale and I feel like if I don't really apply anything, it can definitely look a lot rounder. After I've warmed up the face, I like to take a cool tone contour shade, and this is what's really going to carve out the face. I like to take this underneath my cheeks, my forehead, just anywhere where you want to slim it out, and believe me you guys, it works. It makes your face look thinner. Hack number 2 is getting that skinny selfie. We all like that jawline to look nice and sharp. One thing you want to avoid is holding the phone downwards. That's just gonna grab all the wrong parts you don't want to show. So tilt the phone upwards, bring your chin a little bit down, and bam girl. As you can see, most of my pictures are taken like that, and guess what girl, you can't see my double chin. That's all that matters, right? Hack number 3 that I got for you is self-tanning. It's kind of like when you contour your face. You know, when you highlight you kind of emphasize, and when you contour you want to hide. I feel like the more tan I look, the more I hide. This is all personal preference though. I know some people don't like self-tanning. I don't have anything against my own skin color. I love my pale skin. In fact, I never really self-tan, but I do notice when I do, it does kind of make you appear a little bit slimmer. Especially when you do apply it in your entire body, which is not only your legs, but your arms and stomach, you will see a difference. Alright girl, y'all ever got a pair of pants that you love, but you kind of gain a little bit of weight and they don't fit you no more? Well, guess what? I got you covered. All you're gonna need is a hair tie. So what I'm gonna first do is hook it on the button. After you hooked it on, you want to take it inside that hole right there, take it back out, hook it on to the button again, and bam girl, you got your pants on and popping. And as you can see, the more I stretch it, nothing happens to it. Just make sure you're using a very stretchable tie. Then of course, just make sure you use a long shirt that's going to just cover up that button and you're good to go. Hack number 5 is wearing Spanx. This is my favorite hack. I use Spanx a lot, especially when I use dresses or pencil skirts. I have a belly, as you can see. I definitely have muffin tops as well. And one thing I've noticed that really helps to put all that together is Spanx. You can get Spanx anywhere, you guys. Seriously, they even have some like at Walmart and Target. Depending on your body, Spanx can definitely give you a flat stomach. On me personally, you can still see it a little bit, but it really does make a difference. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like when I have my hair down, my face appears a lot slimmer than when I have it up. When my hair is up, I feel like it just looks rounder. I'm not gonna lie though, sometimes I like to do hairstyles where my hair is like slicked back, but I definitely believe my face looks rounder, so I choose to have it down most of the time. Hack number 7 is wearing loose clothing, and guess what girl, these are the kind of dresses that I love. I don't care half the time if you could see every detail on my body. Like this is just my style right here, but I do notice when I wear loose clothing, it does help hide all of that. And one thing that I like wearing a lot is rompers, because they still make you look sexy, but they do cover up a lot. Sometimes we want to wear loose clothing, but you want to still show off those curves. So one thing that I like to wear are dresses kind of like this. They kind of are loose from the top and from the arms, but you know, you can still show off that booty at the same time. Alright, so have you ever walked for hours wearing shorts or a skirt and you get a rash in between your thighs? If you have a thigh gap, you might not ever experience this. One thing that I like to do when I know I'm gonna be walking for hours is carrying baby powder and applying this in my inner thighs. This really helps for your legs to slip nicely, and I did take some wipes and kind of wipe it off because I did apply a little bit too much, but believe me you guys, it helps out a lot. Hack number 9 is very obvious, and that is wearing black clothing. Black clothing can make you look 100 times thinner. There's just something about wearing black that hides everything. The last hack is very simple, and that is your posture. I feel like a lot of us lack in this. Slouching can make your belly and your whole body overall just appear bigger. So by curving your back, lifting your chest, just standing straight, it's gonna make a difference. So that is it for these 10 simple life hacks. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And just remember, the best way to improve your body is by feeding it the right nutrients and working out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with Karina Garcia, my twin.